Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Kahaluu Keauhou, local and long distance movers near me. As one of the local Kahaluu Keauhou local 3 Movers, we facilitate a seamless move by helping offices or individuals move their property from one place to another. We are also familiar with routes in the city and know the best routes to navigate to get you to your destination. In addition, we stay committed to safely and securely handling your belongings and focus on delivering benefits so you can build trust in us. If you need to move to a different city and find it challenging to find a moving company that will go over 100 miles, that is because there is a slight difference between local moves and long distance moves. Long distance relocations require more machinery than local moves. They are also longer and require well thought out plans. In addition, they require more manpower and skilled movers. What do you get when we assist you with your local or long distance relocation? Insurance packages, affordable relocation plans, timely execution, and storage plans. We at 3 Movers are one of the leading Kahaluu Keauhou local long distance movers. We also offer long distance and local movers and are ready to help you with the relocation process when moving intercity and interstate. You can trust us, it will be hassle free, and your items will arrive at the designated location without any issues. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Kahaluu Keauhou moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.